So hello guys, today this tutorial is on VS Code setup. You must be wondering what is VS Code. So let me tell you. VS Code is a code editor made by Microsoft for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. So it we can program languages on it and make files of HTML and other languages and make our own website on it. So to set up it, we will write VS Code download on our browser and then click on this link code.visualstudio.com. So now it is for 3 operating system: Mac OS, Windows and Linux. So you will select your operating system and download it. I have Windows, so I have downloaded it and it is in my download folder, as you can see here. So I will open it. In with you it might take some time, but as it took for mine. So when you open it, you have to agree this license after reading it and then click on these 4 options. If you want to create a desktop icon, then you would surely create by clicking on it. So but I have downloaded it, so I will not download it again, but I will show you how to download it. So I will exit it and go to my desktop and create a new folder naming web designing tutorial. So now you will open it and right click on it and select open with code. So it will open this folder in VS Code. So now you will be able to see this thing open. So you can create a new file folder in this folder web designing tutorial and you can refresh Explorer. So there are many functions in this, as I am telling you. So I will show you this is the search function, this is the source control, which you not need to focus now, and not on this also. So you will go to extensions and search live server. So and install it. I have installed it before, so I will install it again for you. Live server. So now you will see this one, and in my PC also it is coming install option, so I will download it. It is installing and it is successfully installed. So I will refresh it once and close it and create a new file by pressing Ctrl and N, and I will name it as akshat.html. Sorry, one mistake has happened. .html. So now you will click on the exclamation mark and see emit abbreviation. So when you click on it, you will receive a boilerplate which is of HTML and you can edit it and create your own website. So I am editing by changing the name first web page and then writing here hello Akshat. So now I will save it, and then in your computer or laptop, option of live server will come. So you have to click on it and this file will tell the output on the browser, which is default, so I am not able to access it. So I will click on the file, and as you are able to see, the title of it is first web page and it is printing hello Akshat. So now let me tell you more functions about VS Code. So now go to settings, go to the gear and select settings. So now you can type control and you can see this one. So with this one, if you have to take it, and if you tick on it, then if you select control and over your mouse, then you will be able to resize the font. So this is one of the hotkeys and the easily accessible keys. I have done this for another thing, copy line below. So when I select this line and do Control D, it will make the same line below it. Oh, I forgot to tell you a thing that while clicking the gear and going to keyboard shortcuts, you will get a lot of shortcuts and you will get to know where to put the shortcut and what shortcut does which thing. So like I before only told you that copy line down is Control D. So it will copy the line down. So this was our video. Thank you for seeing it till here, and I will tell you more about HTML, CSS, JavaScript and VS Code in my next videos. Thank you.